Okay, so how does the top view range work? So from the cut plane up to the top view range, you are able to see or view three categories of objects: windows, caseworks, and general model. As long as it is within or it intersects the top range cut line, it will show that object. So let's create an elevation view. So for elevation views, you have two options: the regular building elevation that you're familiar with now, the south, north, west, east elevation. So you can create an elevation, or an interior elevation. So we're creating an interior elevation. So it will point directly to a wall. So make sure we're going to point it to this wall right here. Okay, hit escape. And if we click on that, we can, okay, let's move this a little bit, zoom in, okay, and move this somewhere here. Okay, so if we select the triangle, you'll see that's the elevation range. It's looking at that direction. Okay, so if we double click on this triangle, we're able to see the view for that particular elevation. Okay, so let's go back to the first floor plan and place here a casework. So if we go to the architecture tab and under component, we can look for an overhead cabinet casework, which we don't have here. So we can simply load a family. Okay, so you can go to casework and then we'll select a wall cabinet. So let's just say we'll select something like this: door with glass, or upper cabinet double door. I think that should be better. So upper cabinet with door, click open. And then we'll place it somewhere here. So it's wall hosted. So let's just place it somewhere here and place, let's say, two more. Okay. So notice that the height of this particular cabinet is at 1400. So elevation from level is 1400. It's way above the 1200 cut plane, and it is still showing. And again, the reason for that is because cabinets or caseworks and windows and the general models are visible even if they are above the cut plane. So if we look here, notice that this is way up from the ground level. Now if we push this up to, let's say, 2200, okay, and let's go back to the first floor, notice that it is still there, because if we go to our view range under extents, okay, edit view range, our top level is at 23. So even if the height of this is set to 22, it still intersects our top cut plane. That's why it's still visible. But if we set this to, let's say, 24, then it disappears because it's now above the cut plane. Okay, so that's how the cut plane, top cut plane works. And again, Caseworks, windows, and generic model will act similarly.